like, are you looking for like a pop? Like feel
It's a pop.
Okay.
Pop. Their flavor and their gelatin. Okay, we're not going to cut through any bones today.
So she knows how to do it the right way. Okay.
The esophagus. You can touch it. It's very cool. Put 2 fingers in the bottom, 2 fingers in the top, and just gorgeous fat chicken from Tustin. We don't want to touch that. There's the heart.
Okay.
Loosening the stuff up.
Sure.
Here's
Too
the
hard.
gizzard. That will cut out.
It's an egg.
Oh, what is that?
Those are eggs. There's the liver. Normally I would save the liver and make pate. This one's a little rough done, but what I want to show you attached to the liver is the gallbladder. This produces bile. Liver uses the bile to digest fat. This is really important because it's really, really bitter. You do not want to get that in your chicken, on your meat, on your hands. So if you guys peek up in here, those are her ovaries. This is the tube that starts to the shell. That's where it comes out. With your finger, you feel the pelvic bones here. Just do that. And we will completely remove everything, including the butthole. Go ahead and clean out the rest of the guts. Now lift up. Okay, just pull. Keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling. There you go.
Got it. That's the esophagus, right?
There you go. Yeah.
Bendy straw.
Hold his feet and don't get scared if he flaps. Just hold on tight. Alright.
Good job.
Nicely done. Nicely done.
I'm proud of you for doing that. Good job.